Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about some crucial information that every AS and A-level business student need to watch before starting their new year of education, or shall we call it a struggle, a painful year, a dilemma, whatnot. So this is the first step that every student need to take. So if you are still an IGCSE student and you're going to be an A-level student soon, in just like a few months or few weeks or days, who knows, this video is surely for you guys, and it can also help the current AS level student. It is never too late to take any advice or learning new skills or hints grade to get higher grades. So let's get into it, shall we? Okay, so what I'm gonna discuss in this video today is about to analyze your textbook index page and get an understanding of the topics beforehand. And I'm also going to share some topics to study deeply in your AA levels and AS levels. So stay tuned for that, guys. Okay. So the first and foremost tip, the first ever tip that you need when you open your book is you go to your index page every single time for every single subject, any subject of that matter. Go to the index page, read out all the topics, all the chapter names, all the sections, and just ponder over it. Just keep on pondering, keep on thinking, and just develop what you might get out of the name, just the wordings. Just think what it can be. Make it a challenge and try to guess what these chapters would be and could have. So it will create a suspense and create curiosity, which you find in series, K-drama, anime, and even movies. So you will feel the same sense of urge of suspension and motivation to study and learn, and immediately you will go through it, and you will be curious to learn the subject. And also, if you are an IGCSE student and you're going to the A levels with the same subject, this would help you even more because you already know the knowledge and the knowledge is only building up. So it will be easy for you to understand what these topics might be. Hence, you can refresh your knowledge from the IGCSE syllabus to the A level syllabus. And this will make your sense and your mind to these new subjects much clear, and you will get a sense of clarity. I know, guys, I'm talking way too deeply and way too many wordings, way too much of unsensible or sensible information which is being talked way too fast or way too slow for some people, who knows. But that's just a reality, guys, because many of you need to understand and need to develop another skill which is called listening. This is very crucial and very important, guys, because you wouldn't know what kind of teacher or master you will get in your high school lectures, because the lectures might be way too fast and way too fast paced or even slow paced, who knows. So you need to adapt accordingly. So I would suggest you develop your listening skills as well. This is just a friendly reminder or a friendly jackpot tip, maybe, if you can take it. Yeah. Okay, so now let's get into the advice that I'm going to give AS and A level students who did their IGCSEs. And keep in mind, this advice is not for any student who didn't do their IGCSE in their 10th and directly doing their AS and A level. Then this is not for you guys. So what I'm gonna tell you guys about the business study book, right? You go take it and you go to the content or the index page. In that you would see there are totally how many? Five sections. Okay, in that five sections, I'm gonna tell you just like 3 or 4 chapters which you need to go through thoroughly and detailedly. So in the section 1, you will see chapter 4 called business objectives. That is not that much detailed or informative in your IGCSE textbook or syllabus. You might have not heard a lot of objectives, corporate objectives, a lot of new stuff. So that I would suggest you guys to go and read carefully. So next up would be in the section 4. So in section 4, there is a chapter called capacity utilization and outsourcing, chapter 25. That is a newly added information I know there is some terms called capacity utilization or something called outsourcing in IGCSE, but I'm not sure of it. So I would, to be safe, I think you guys should read it carefully and thoroughly to be really clear on that topic. So, and lastly, in section 5, there are 4 chapters. I would highly recommend you guys to read all the 4 chapters in proper detail and read it at least 3 times, so you will get the proper idea of what it is. Okay, so these are the tips and hints that I wanted to give about the IAS and A level textbook content, but this is mainly for AS level, right? So yeah, if you want A level, again, comment down below A level video. I will surely drop it soon or later. Okay, so other than these tips, I would say just read through all the chapters, man. That's it. So for AS level, just read everything, even though it is similar and it is actually just the IGCSE syllabus, just copy written with a higher language of English and just a bit of new information and high class terminologies. I would tell you guys to read it again. Read it again. It's fine. I know it is boring. Read it again. Just read it again, it will be helpful. Or else if you're being too confident, you might spoil your exam. So just read it. And another jackpot advice that I would give you guys is that if you're reading your AS and A level textbook information, just any chapter, any portion of it, when you read it you don't understand the IGCSE syllabus or topics itself, then I would recommend you to go back to the IGCSE textbook, open it, and find where that same content is, and go read the IGCSE wordings and the paragraphs, because the IGCSE book has a much easier version of English which you can actually understand in simpler terms compared to the A level book. So that will be easier for you guys to understand, and you can actually refresh the knowledge if you open back your 10th book, and you can actually get a much more clarity on the basic sense of the idea that you're searching for. So that's it, guys. That's all the hint and tricks that I'm going to give today. And so stay tuned, guys. Cheers and have a nice day.